What do you do when you have too much stuff, 2 families, and you got to get it to your land? You rent a 26-foot truck. Welcome to American Roots. We're at U-Haul, and we are renting a truck and a trailer to pull our Tacoma and all of our stuff so that we can get everything done and start focusing on building. So that's what we're doing. We have 2 days to get started, get packed, and get on the road. So we got a 26-foot U-Haul. We're going to pack anything and everything we can inside of it. It is a monster. Kansas City, here I come. Super awesome. And you'd think you were in the city. That's the trailer for the truck.
That's all right.
Doing a good job.
I think so.
High and tight.
Almost done.
Almost done. Got her loaded. That's what I said.
Hold on, you're not gonna make it.
How close am I? Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, you can go a little forward. Keep going.
Turn it.
Keep going.
Nope, this, Marshall. Stop!
Hold on.
Stop, Marshall, look at the wheels behind you. So the front of the trailer's making it, but the wheels on the back. We made it, he's out. He's just trying to find a place to go straight. Forklift rodeo champ, everybody.
Nice.
A little bit more, you gotta go over the top. A little more, a little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Right there. That's like just barely enough room.
They asked us what we were towing.
That's the perfect size. When it locks in on the front.
And the back, yeah.
Wow.
I was thinking
This
too.
is barely on there.
Yeah, like we were gonna get that little one. The little one you put your car on.
Big boy. Holding a lot of stuff. Good job.
You drove it.
Oh, shit. Got that there. There's a little
Like my studio lighting.
More. Okay, forward. Turn the wheels to the left a little bit. Yeah. Right there. That's good.
I love my husband. That would have been so scary for me to do by myself.
Oh, yeah.
You like cradle it? Yeah.
so stressful. I'm so thankful that we got that on there. The U-Haul is packed. We are ready to get on the road. We're gonna leave about midnight, and hopefully that will put us where we need to be about 8 o'clock. So let's get sleep and get on the road. I'm ready for this. This is awesome. What a super, super exciting next step.